Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from jamtoursafrica.com family. And in Kenya right now, everybody's calling on Jam Tours Africa and Jamrock Restaurant family to actually, bring the Jamaican flavor, food, and vibes to the event family. So this is an event that keeps at the Ulinzi Sports Complex. It's on Langata. It's an Army Barracks complex, and it was something for the Oni family where they have like an international R&B event here in Kenya. And international shows, and it was like for millennials and our age group type of people. It's like an old school R&B party, so they want Jam Tours to come and actually with the food and all of that family, so we have to represent the Jamaican way. So this is how we do it here in Kenya. So a lot of events, coordinator and promoter been calling on us to come with the food, and now we have to just spice it up and give it the nice Jamaican flavor and vibes, and them loving it family. And Jam Tours promote the event and make sure they get a lot of sales and a lot of promotion and a lot of tickets and stuff. So we invite the diaspora to come and network at these events and stuff like that. And a lot of diaspora was there actually, and that day I just seen the video. So let's go family, let's go. How much for the flag? How much for the flag?
Yeah, both for the flag.
How much for the flag? How much?
For 15.
Huh?
1500.
No, this one.
Oh, the small one.
Yeah.
This small one.
Yeah.
This one for 300.
300. Okay.
I have this one for 500.
500 per one.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me take a. All right. Yeah, man. All right.
Most of the food done already, but we still have more food.
Popular, that's why, isn't it?
Hot! Hot! Talk to the people, hot!
Yeah, man, big up.
Yeah, yeah, man, so link up, man.
Big up.
Oh, go on.
Go on.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
We're not eating no food.
They're gonna come back like this.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Mad thing. The international, no, the
International.
International.
Rational.
Yeah, families are the team that them just come check out the Jamrock stand, and them are gonna play straight from the US.
If you love me, if you trust me, do it. If you want me, show it. If you need me, do it, show it, and then they must prove it. Yeah. After you guys, you're gonna sing along with your chest, okay?
I wanna love and it's based on truth, not to stay. You will not hurt my pride if right now you decide that you are ready to settle down. You are my heart and it's something that you start to act like you're mine. And when you're lost,
Just in case you don't get no Jamaican food. Just in case. Jam tours Africa. Jamaicans touring Africa. Jamaica flag, we raise it high. Higher than high. Taller than them. Farther than them.
You ready?
Yeah, go on. Go on, Miguel. Jamaican flavor for true. Today at the Jackie Club family. The food. Jamaican food.
This carrot looks really nice.
Oh really?
It looks delicious.
Oxtail? Oxtail, is that very good?
Oxtail.
Today at the Jackie Club family. The food. Jamaican food.
This carrot looks really nice.
Oh really?
It looks delicious.
Oxtail? Oxtail, is that very good?
Oxtail. You ready?
Yeah, go on. Go on, Miguel. Jamaican flavor for true.
Welcome to Kenya, hakuna matata. Wewe, sema wewe mtu.
Yeah, a lot of fun. These are my new friends. This is I was just hanging out and all of them. Yeah, where is she?
I don't know. I'm waiting for her to send me message. I couldn't hear her.
In case of anything, just
Listen, Platter guys. Jam towards Platter. Jam towards subscriber this.
There's a filter.
What?
Yeah, filter. Leave on issues out.
What?
That was a filter.
What is that?